In a world of motion, there is a beauty in stillness, where creature chase, flee, and flight for survival. One stand above them all, watching, waiting, knowing the silent author of the sky, the master of presence, the Kookaburra. It does not chase the wind. It does not bow to the storm. For it's something greater can, unshaken sentinel, a creature of legend. Not a creature of haste, nor of foliage. Listen to the stories the wind carries, the secret of the earth. Whisper, in its stillness it speaks louder than thunder. Few understand that power lies not in action, but in command, in presence, in knowing that stillness speaks louder than movement even could. The Kookaburra stands in a perfect stillness, a reminder that beauty is not just seen, but perceived. Nature does not ask for much, only respect, only care, and the choice is ours. Protect the wild, cherish its wonders, because one lost, it may never return. Act now, be the difference.